Explore over 1 million maps and satellite images in 3D. All you have to do is visit SoarAtlas.com, find a map, and click View in 3D mode. Or look at new imagery from the Satellite tab by drawing your area of interest and viewing your date in 3D. You can use the left mouse button to pan around, the right mouse button to tilt, and your scroll wheel to zoom in. In the options menu, you can adjust your quality settings. This lets you run 3D mode perfectly on lower devices by switching your settings, or boosting it up if you have a powerful PC. You can exaggerate the height of your map with this slider, and even change the time of day. 3D mode not only lets you visualize maps in 3D, but also lets you create them. Let's add some annotations. Dragging out a height annotation will display the elevation of your area. You can click the annotation anytime to change its color or delete it. Military markers are perfect for annotating a map with full NATO symbology. With the basic marker, you can place icons over any area. Choose your color and your marker style. And finally, use the scale bar to choose your size. The 3D marker lets you annotate with 3D models, including flags, targets, and even objects like planes, military assets, and houses. The text tool lets you type in 3D space. Just type out your sentence and hit Apply Changes to see it update. You can also select color, height, and font size. You can toggle on and off this setting, which will keep your text the same size no matter how far you zoom out. Next, this is the canvas draw. This mode makes your map flat so you can draw on it. Go freehand with the sketch tool, or the freehand polygon. Use simple clicks and lines. Draw straight lines with the line tool. Add arrows, circles, and squares, and even insert pictures over your map. Once you're done, hit Apply Changes and watch these annotations wrap around your 3D map. There are built-in recording tools that let you share your map with the world. You'll get a countdown, and anything you do on screen will be recorded as a video. Or you can take a picture with the screenshot tool. Finally, with tour controls, you can record a cinematic tour of your map. Just position your camera with the starting point, add your first scene, and then set up your second point. Each scene you add will blend together as a smooth camera trail. You can click on any scene to adjust the timing and speed. And of course, record it all as an exported video. Once you've annotated your map, you can save it to your profile, letting you share your discoveries with the world. There's a lot you can do in 3D mode, and we can't wait to see what you guys do with it. The 3D mode is currently in beta, and we're looking for your feedback, so please click this button here to let us know any of your suggestions. And share your creations with us anytime by tagging Soar Atlas on socials.